It becomes tougher the more clan members or the more people you play with. It becomes tougher. So get ready to yell.
Yeah.
Yeah. I usually try, but X doesn't like it. I am. Oh, let's go for blood.
Oh my god.
Oh shit, I jumped right into it.
Yeah, I'm doing good till now.
We need to get you to legendary, dude.
Real.
We tied for the lead.
Bro!
Hardpoint identified. Capture the objective.
I don't miss ranked.
Neither do I. Oof. Neither do I. Oh, come on! That wasn't just a good streak. I was so close to my score streaks and then I died. Whoa.
Bro, fucking fire thing killed me.
Fire, that's my pick.
It wasn't yours, there was a red one.
Yeah, it was an enemy.
Oh, Molotov.
If I lose this, it's gonna go back down.
No! I was so... Somebody picked up my gun? I will fucking kill them. Oh shit.
Hardpoint lost.
I picked up your gun, or his gun, I don't know which one it is.
Ah, come on.
How did it keep failing?
Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested.
It's like, part of me, like, I want to use my switchblade. I want to use my AK. I'm gonna just focus my AK. Am I next, guys?
I think someone picked up your gun.
Yeah, they're picking it up. I don't care. You guys are losers.
Real.
Real.
Hardpoint identified. Capture the objective. Enemy UAV spotted. Heads up, team. Enemy UAV. Hardpoint locked down.
Targets in sight.
Stupid.
A shock RP is coming here. Here.
Smoke grenade.
I slid into that reactor core.
Oh my.
That was beautiful. Like, I saw it, I acknowledged it,
Point is ours.
and I said, you know what, this is the place for me to be. Oi! Fuck you, purifier.
Fuck!
Okay, is the person that keeps on picking them back.
Hardpoint contested.
Okay.
Hostiles have the hardpoint.
I can do that.
We will see that then.
Enemy in sight.
Oh, good save, thank you.
I'm gonna leave the game.
No, hell no, Clara, you're not.
Dang, I'm fucking sweating right now.
I'm eating this shit. Oh, what the hell?
Hostiles have captured the hard point.
I'm gonna use a predator in there.
Huh?
Friendly predator missile.
If I can make nice. It was clear.
Okay, yeah.
Ah, nah, it's fine.
I'm in this bitch.
Bro, we won. Good fucking game, dude. That was awesome.
Bro,
Real. Pretty well. I'm not even in the top 3, that's crazy.
Nah, you're all good.
I have 7 kills.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
So mad at
oh hell no.
Shut up, bro. I'm
Alright. Most that too wouldn't be this.